It seems like, yeah. Seems like it's closed off. Yeah. It seems like, yeah. Seems like it's closed off. Wow. It's really close, huh? It's really close. I would have loved to stand up, that's all. Right.
It's just a lot bigger and thicker and wider.
Yeah.
Much more stable.
Wow. Is it cool? Wow. That was noisy, that thing. Cool, I'm gonna get some water as well.
Under us here.
Wow, other than in a zoo.
There it is. It's like right under me now.
I know, I saw.
Can you see it here?
Yes, yes, yes. Moving, huh?
Oh, well, yeah.
Wow.
They're so curious.
They are? Do you think they have like cubs or?
No, not this time of year.
Not this time of the year.
But like in September, like
Yeah.
late August, September.
So do you think like they are? Hello, Sealy.
These ones, they both look like young ones from last year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Or small females. I don't know how to identify. They're not big though.
Yeah. So they wouldn't. I think. Wow. Hello,
I don't
Sealy.
know what these two, if they'll be part of the colony.
Yeah.
I mean that one.
Wow. They just can really stand up like on water. Huh?
Yeah.
Man. Crazy.
So, I mean, I think they're just curious.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Usually sort of August. Going in and going round.
Right. I think like you're saying, you know,
So this is kind of start
starting a bit. I mean, I think because I'm sitting, I feel like I'm enjoying this.
yeah.
Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. Aha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on it. What? Yeah. Yeah.
But I just can't see how the otter is here.
Wow.
Like I know, like occasionally they go into the sea,
Yeah.
but
Not a usual thing.
yeah, but then only where there's otters. Like I can't see where there's otters.
Woof. I'm shivering, man. Sorry. Oh, can you see my knees?
Like, I'm gonna fall in.
Yeah, I guess so. I think it's a neural response. Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Farmers. Yeah. Right.
I get that they should be vilified.
Wow.
See, I don't even see it. Just a lot bigger and thicker and wider.
Seen one before, other than in the zoo.
Swimming under us here in September,
Yeah.
late August, September.
So do you think really stand up like on water? Huh?
Yeah. Usually sort of August.
Because I'm sitting, I feel like I'm enjoying this.
Yeah. Yeah, but then only, but yeah.
Wow.
See, I don't even